Please tell us a little about your background as an engineer. How does it relate to your current work on tectonics?
As an engineer, I've been manufacturing and designing turbine meters for God knows how many years. And I soon recognized when they become unbalanced because of the fact they break apart very soon. It was this that led me to look at Earth when I saw that it was on an inclined axis and it had the Milankovitch cycles. It mimicked an unbalanced rotating body. And from that, I know from my work that when you have to have all rotating machinery, you have to work out the hoop stress to ensure you never exceed it, otherwise it'll bust apart. So it meant that if I could model the Earth, which is on an inclined axis as it rotates, then I could then work out the forces on the circumferential forces. And that's the reason. It was because of my intimate knowledge of rotating machinery. I immediately saw that I could model the rotating Earth.